Imagine the thrill of holding in your hands a device that transcends ordinary smartphones. The Xiaomi 13T Pro is not just a phone, it's an immersive experience that's about to redefine your tech expectations. In this review, we're diving straight into the heart of this extraordinary gadget to uncover the jaw-dropping surprises it has in store. Don't skip a single second of this video. Watch till the end because Xiaomi has some exciting surprises in store. Opening the Xiaomi 13T Pro's box reveals more than just the phone. Alongside it, you'll find a compact yet powerful 120-watt adapter for swift charging, an essential USB cable, and the added bonus of a protective case that ensures your $650 investment stays in pristine condition. The device itself is a marvel of design. Despite its 6.67-inch size, it's impressively easy to handle, thanks to a thoughtful ergonomic design that ensures a comfortable grip. The display is utterly flat, eliminating any awkward, unintended touches at the edges. The back of the Xiaomi 13T Pro deserves special attention. It's available in a stunning alpine blue, an elegant shade that blends aesthetics with practicality. What's remarkable is the vegan leather finish, providing not only a distinctive texture, but also exceptional grip. The alpine blue model in particular presents a soft-textured backplate that not only feels premium, but also differentiates itself from the crowd. And here's a bonus. This smartphone offers IP68 water and dust resistance, assuring that it's not just a pretty face, but also ready to withstand the rigors of daily life. The Xiaomi 13T Pro operates on Android 13, with an impending upgrade to Android 14 on the horizon. Layered on top is MIUI 14, an ecosystem known for its unique features and user-friendly design. Here's where the magic happens. MIUI offers a familiar Android experience while bringing its own set of distinctive features to the table. You can access notifications from anywhere thanks to the control center. A full app tray is at your disposal, making it easier to navigate your device. A tap of your finger reveals the Google Discover feed, making sure you're updated on the latest news. Notably, MIUI software support has improved significantly. Xiaomi promises 4 major OS upgrades and 5 years of security updates. This means that your Xiaomi 13T Pro is prepared to serve you well for an extended period, proving its long-term value in a market filled with shorter-lived alternatives. A highlight of the Xiaomi 13T Pro is undoubtedly its display. The device boasts a remarkable 6.67-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 2712 x 1220 pixels. This translates to a pixel density of 446 pixels per inch, ensuring crisp visuals. The inclusion of HDR10+ and Dolby Vision support further enhances your viewing experience. Brightness levels peak at an impressive 1200 nits, but can surge up to a staggering 2600 nits when needed. This adaptive brightness ensures optimal visibility, even in direct sunlight. What sets this display apart is its 144 Hz screen refresh rate. It's a feature you'll quickly grow to appreciate. Scrolling through content, gaming, or watching videos is remarkably smooth, while other displays struggle to adapt. The Xiaomi 13T Pro's display does so automatically, optimizing itself for the task at hand. The Xiaomi 13T Pro is a powerhouse thanks to its MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Ultra chipset, coupled with 8 GB of RAM. This device handles multitasking, app switching, and demanding applications with remarkable ease. You won't encounter any performance hiccups, even when juggling numerous apps simultaneously. Benchmark scores confirm the device's impressive capabilities, further reiterating its suitability for intensive tasks and high-end gaming. One notable aspect that sets the Xiaomi 13T Pro apart is its substantial battery. A 5000 mAh cell ensures all-day usage without breaking a sweat. It's complemented by a 120-watt fast charger, allowing you to power up the device rapidly. Plugging it in before your morning routine ensures you'll have a near-full battery by the time you're ready to roll. The absence of a cumbersome overnight charge routine is a convenience worth cherishing. In the realm of connectivity, the Xiaomi 13T Pro shines. It offers Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, dual SIM 5G support, Wi-Fi 7, and even an IR blaster, demonstrating its compatibility with both modern and traditional devices. But the device's impressive connectivity doesn't stop there. The haptic feedback is not just a standard feature, it's fully customizable, ensuring every tap and interaction feels just right. The audio experience on the Xiaomi 13T Pro is equally remarkable. Dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support elevate your audio experience, delivering crisp and immersive sound that's ready to impress. The camera system on the Xiaomi 13T Pro is a work of art. A 50MP main camera, coupled with ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, results in a highly versatile setup. What makes this camera system even more special is Xiaomi's partnership with Leica, an iconic name in the world of photography. The main camera captures shots with incredible detail and vivid colors. The telephoto lens brings optical zoom into the picture, perfect for distant subjects or unique compositions. Whether you're shooting selfies, portraits, or landscapes, the Xiaomi 13T Pro delivers exceptional results. Video enthusiasts will be thrilled with the device's capabilities. It can record videos in 8K resolution, promising exceptional clarity and detail. For those who enjoy cinematic flair, slow-motion videos at 960 FPS are also on the menu, allowing you to capture the beauty of motion in mesmerizing detail. When the sun sets and lighting conditions become challenging, the Xiaomi 13T Pro doesn't shy away from the task. The device's night mode photography and video recording are noteworthy. They elevate your low-light shots, delivering clarity and brightness even in the darkest of scenarios. In conclusion, the Xiaomi 13T Pro is a device that leaves no stone unturned in exceeding your expectations. From flagship features to exceptional performance and a remarkable camera system, it stands tall. But what are your thoughts? Do you believe it can compete with other flagships, including the iPhone 15 Pro Max? Share your opinions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech wonders from the Tech Critic. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to your thoughts. See you in the next video.